Welcome to Linux Help tutorial. I am going to explain about how to install Chelet OS 16.04.2. Chelet OS is similar to the Ubuntu 16.04. It has the Linux kernel 4.4. It has the user interface that is similar to the Windows. Now we can see the installation of Chelet OS. Before installing, first you need to download the ISO from the Chelet OS official site. After downloading, make a bootable DVD or a bootable pen drive and make it boot. After booting, you will get the following screen. Now give live Chelet OS. Now click close. Now we can see the install Chelet OS 16.04. Now double click that. Now we can see the installation process started. Now select the language and give continue. If you want to install the third-party softwares, you can tick this and give continue. Now we need to select the installation type. I'm going to give something else to create partitions of my own. Now give continue. Now we need to create the new partition table. Now select the new partition table and give continue. Now select the free space to create the partitions. Now click add. Now enter the size for boot partition. I'm giving 300 MB for boot partition. Now select the mount point as /boot and give OK. Now select the free space and click add and select the type of partition should be primary and the size is 2 GB for swap partition. Now select the users as swap area. The swap partition should be the double the size of RAM. I'm using 1 GB of RAM, so I'm giving 2 GB for the swap partition. The next partition is for the root. Now click add. I'm giving 18 GB for the root. Select the partition type as primary and select the mount point as /. Now give OK. After creating all the partitions, now click install now and give continue to write changes to the disks. Now select your location and give continue. Now select your keyboard layout and give continue. Now we need to create the users. I'm giving the username as user1 and your computer name is the host name. I'm giving Linux help and enter your password for the user. Now click continue. Now it is copying files. This will take some time. Now the installation is completed. Now click restart now. Now we can see the boot screen. Now select the Chelet OS 16.04. Now the OS is booting. Now enter the password to login. Now click login. Now the Chelet OS 16.04 is successfully installed. Now we can see the interface is similar to the Windows OS. Here you can see the style changer. You can change the styles here. After changing, just press apply. Now you can see the style is changed. The Chelet OS 16.04 is successfully installed. Thank you for watching.